call us and ask us. Don't just have a customer call you and say I have a bird problem and then say, oh, this is out of my capabilities. You know, Try it. Give us a call. We'll help you figure it out. We want you guys to succeed. We want you as a business owner or a pest control technician or a sales rep at your company to sell that job and finish it. And, we want you to succeed. We're not going to tell you, figure this out on your own. We'll sell you something when you figure it out. We're here to help you figure that out. We'll help you get the job, get the right product, install the product, and make the customer happy. I think that's the one important thing is, I can't stress it enough as our customer service part of it. Our technical support is, I think, as Bird Begun, our biggest plus as a company, our strongest point that we want to portray is we're here to help you. We're here to help you grow your business like you're here to help us grow a business and get larger too. It's kind of a win-win, give and take type of thing. Something that I've heard the guys say and I kind of took to heart is we're here to help you solve the problem. As much as I want to sell you something, I want you to get the right thing. Sometimes there is an easy fix or there's something, there might not be a perfect solution, and one of our products may not be the best possible solution. And, if there's something better I could tell you to just grab real quick at Home Depot, to be honest, we'll tell you. We're not going to cheat you out of, a couple $100 just to sell something. That's not Bird Begun. We're here to help you solve your bird problem and have that taken care of. If it's one of our products that does it, awesome. If it's something you could grab, from Home Depot for a couple bucks, great. As long as that problem is getting taken care of, we're pretty happy about it.